Camco 30 PowerGrip heavy-duty outdoor 50-amp extension cord for RV and auto allows for additional length to reach distant power outlets built to last 55,195. Safe and durable construction. Extension cord is constructed with 100% copper wiring coated with a heavy-duty flame retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath that serves as protection from outdoor elements, wear and tear. High conductivity with a flexible and sleek design, bendable extension cord adapter allows easy conversion from a standard 50-amp male to 50-amp female. Rated for 50-amp 125 volts. Constructed with 6/3 plus 8 1-gauge wires for superior conductivity. Hassle-free PowerGrip plug. The patented PowerGrip handle eliminates frustration by assisting users in safely and conveniently gripping, plugging, and unplugging the male and female ends without straining or damaging the cord. Extended length extends 30 feet long to provide sufficient length needed to reach distant power outlets and sources.